One of the top scorers ng ating liga. Oh, there's a first block of the game. Back to Yap. Bola para sa black shirts. Yes, what a nice pass going for a steal. Behind the head pass, Villegas lays it out very free. Kick out, Yap fires in and out. Offensive rebound and the putback. Yes, that is good for number 10, David. Ayan, naiiwan yung mga nakaitim. 4 against 1. Nick Dow. Wala nang nagawa. I-foul na lang. Pumasok pa. Best. Villegas. Alley-oop. Nice play. Going to lose him. But a counter steal by Morales. Lays it up easily. 19-6. Another three. Villegas again. Okay. Claramo fires three. Babu. Drop pass. Huli and Nick Dow. Villegas is wide open and they will call out timeout. Kamaklang. Jumper off the glass. Good attack by Kamaklang. Now Dabu. Dabu will attack. Dabu, nice drop pass. Nauna yung talon pero no problem for Mr. Kamaklang. Limsingan. Limsingan. Ang bilis naman. Nauna sa racetrack. Rebound Limsingan. Advancing. Oh, wide open is Morales. Yup. Open. Jumper. In and out. And in again. Front court. Tirahan mo sa labas. Sigurado bubukan depensa na yan. There's a good alley-oop pass. Huli. Dizon for a steal. Morales. Sayang, walang bumaba sa depensa. 32-19. Here's Dabu. Nice pick. Open lane for Dabu. 13 seconds left. Villegas. Turn around. Nako. Nahuli lang ng kalahating segundo. Good defense by Lusong. Eto, apat sila. Uy, nako, bitin na bitin. Nice tap by Navarro to Morales. Huli na naman. Another good defense by Navarro. Limsingan his way. Past. Timeout. Nako, ganda naman ng execution. Arcilla, rebound. Wide open shot. That is good. Oh naman, another knockout play. Another turnover. Daming bigay. Kamaklang. Runner. Finally, for entitled Hoopers. Untikan. Ayun, nahulihan na talaga. Kamaklang, good anticipation. Bihirang bihirang. Claramo. 3. Advancing to Kamaklang. Kamaklang. Wow, what a glide by Kamaklang. Kamaklang. Oh, what a move by Kamaklang. Nice pass. Downstairs. Ramos open. Takes the 3. No, that's another putback by Miranda. Binigay after that good effort. Sayang. 4 against 1. Ayun. Under 2 minutes. Entitled Hoopers not giving up. Kamaklang. Create. Oh, what a shot by Kamaklang. Palestina. Binato. Navarro. Ayun, si Limsingan. He will take off. Yes, using the left. Navarro. Limsingan. Ay! Traveling. Kamaklang. Kamaklang. Good move. Navarro. Lusong. Traveling. Kamaklang. Firing back. That's another 3. Arcilla. Short. Nick Dow rebound. And nako. Easy for Villegas. Here's Dabo, now Kamaklang. Kamaklang. Changing hands in midair. Dizon attacking off the glass. Big body. By Magpayo. Advancing to Morales is Jay Cross. Tingnan natin, ayun na. Jamal Crawford na. Dizon rebound, advancing now. Jay Cross. Sa kaliwa naman tayo. Timeout. Yup, attacking. Runner, short. Tap goes to his teammate Arcilia. Putback is good. Stolen by Dabu. Chase down, yes! Pero nandun si David to put. Cross again. Behind the back. Nice move. Oh, bad shot by Dizon. Here's a easy layup. Napunta. He's wide open. Short on that three. Dizon is open. Oh, bitin na naman. Another one. Dizon, isa pa. Gusto na yung may foul. Sabi ni Migdao. Villegas fakes. Villegas attacks. Easy. Three. Oh, yes, completed. Binato. That's a three. Mas napaganda yung sa kabila. Kalisya. Ay, nako. Ang sayang naman nun. Ito, 4-point swing. Baloyot. Air ball. Dizon rebound. It's a 3 against 2. Ligtao. Easy layup. Siya. Too strong. Rebound. Kamaklang. Kamaklang. Yes. Huli. Villegas. Fires. That's a 3. Kamaklang. The spin. Grabe. Relay. Huli. Villegas for a steal. Here's Jay Cross. Easy. Tapa. Wala pa rin. Shot lock off. Morales. Nice touch passing to Villegas. Easy again. Magpayo fires. That's another 3. That's another basket. Dabu. Dabu. Nice move. Too strong. Kalisya controls the rebound. Outlet to Claramo. Claramo. Tuloy-tuloy. Subo sa bola. Wala. That's good. Three. Unexpected. Using an attack. Escaping. That is a good move. Dabu escapes. In and out. Morales rebound. Outlet. Limsingan. Timeout. David rebound. Now Dabu. Dabu. Floater off the glass. Now Morales. Alley-oop, high in the sky, going to Limsingan. David. To the other David. Another 3. Ayun. Pinagawa pa si Limsingan. Limsingan go all the way. All the way. Sabi Morales. That's a basket for Arcilia. That's Morales again.